Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. What's good, everybody? Good morning. Happy Thursday. Oh boy, we are coming in hot and spicy today, everybody. Coming ready to learn, level up, and win. Morning, big dog. What's up, bro? Gonna crush it, you bet your butt we are. You know what it is. What's up, Paulina? What's up, Jalapeno? What's good, everybody? What's up, Elijah? Artif, Max Trade and Investing, Manuel, Maria, David. Good morning, Jeff, Marcella, Sherlock. No shoot, Sherlock. Rami, Greg, was good. Is this Jdun, the 2-bar master? All right, I've effectively retired the 2-bar. I'm never trading it again. Never again. Y'all ruined it. Ruined the beautiful setup we know as the 2-bar. Every morning I drink my AG1, my greens, and I also drink my collagen. Telling you, it feels so good after drinking that stuff. Feels so good every day. A lot of you could benefit from some more collagen in your life. A lot of you could seriously benefit from adding in collagen to your life. Literally good for everything. MCT too. Yup. Daddy Dunn's orphanage is open for business. We're taking on new peeps. I put it as clear as possible in the Discord, guys. I said, listen, Zoom link for live day trading with Jdun Trades is posted in hashtag Jdun Grizzly live trading. Click the link and you'll be directed to the stream where I, Jdun, live day trade. And there will still be someone that comes in and says, hey guys, where's Jdun trading at? I don't know. I don't know where he's at. He's somewhere. What a good trade during Power Hour yesterday, guys. We'll go over this in just a minute. We'll go over the good old 2-bar we caught. We caught literally, what is that? 186 down to 926. 986, 30 O's. Yeah, 200-point trade. Oh, man. Good morning, Charlie. What's up, bro? It's good, everybody. Welcome in. It is a good day to have a good day. Like Mike said, it's a good day to have a good day. What's up? Good morning and good afternoon. What's good? Good morning and good afternoon. Right back to you. I can play the pawn with you. I'm in Liverpool, UK. Speaking of Liverpool, we've got some good soccer games lately. I'm excited for we got Mexico game today. I told Gene to bring me his Mexico hat. Viva Mexico. We got the Mexico soccer game today, and we got the United States tomorrow. July 4th might be USA versus UK. That'd be lit. Bum, you missed the power hour trade. Well, no fear. Hopefully the 2-bar will be here again. What position size would you recommend for on using 25K accounts NQ MNQ for sure if you're trading on prop firm? See if I can get some accounts to give away for you guys today too. Day trading and prop firm giveaway. Bought a Lucid Flex yesterday. Used code Jdun. I appreciate you, bro. MFFU or Tradeify Select all over my fund and futures every day, all day, every day. Bought 5 FF with your code 50K Premier. I love those 50K Premiers. They're great. They're baller. Isn't that funny? He's such a goofball. Justin, I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, all I said was facts. People are like, you know what? You should have made a video on SpaceX and been like, you should tell everyone to buy and rip a currently overvalued company. You're right. Just don't trade smart, trade safe. Just full send IPOs. Cheers, Jay Dunn. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Any giveaway accounts? I really need one. We'll do our best to see if I can find you a winner today. Maybe if we find a winner, we can give away some accounts. Have a little celebration. You know, and I'll take it. You got to remember in this industry, a majority of publicity is good publicity. When people stop talking about you, means you fell off. And we can't let DOD fall off the map ever. More and more traders need to learn about DOD. How to change their life with it. We will never let DOD fall off. Ever. We got about 20 minutes to open, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everyone tapping in. Welcome in. If I come back and visit Colorado this next year, can I stop in and say hi? If it's trading at the office, yeah. Of course. We'd love to have you there. We'd love to have you. What's your live with no lag and Team Bowl Premium? Best place to be in the live trading chat. Did Columbia win their soccer game? Yeah, but it's also OPEX today, guys. That is very true. Columbia soccer. 3-1 versus Uzbekistan. Yep. Colombia. We got some good soccer today, too. We got Mexico and South Korea. We got Canada and Qatar. Czechia. That was Chechnya. And South Africa. And Switzerland and Bosnia and Herzegovina. End of the trading days when I review. You can, though, like back in the day. Sorry, Grizzly, what were you saying? Oh, good morning, sir. I've never traded CFDs ever. I will never trade Forex. Ever. Never traded. And the first ever course I bought, actually, on trading, though, was on Forex. Ever. Let's go South Africa represent. Good luck to you guys. Hey, by the way, guys, make sure to check your emails and your spam and your promotions and your social. We sent out the email twice last night of the recording. And I was telling everyone to go to it, go to your email, open it, and reply. At the end of the trading stream today, I'm going to go to find one person's email, and I'm going to email you a code. You also get the recording in there. Jdun, make me some money. You sold me yesterday. Let's go. Got you. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to try my best. Takes time, but you stick with me and stay patient and follow your rules. Good things will happen. great things will happen, actually. Let's go. We caught a banger during Power Hour. 200-point trade. Massive, massive winner during Power Hour. We'll go over it in like 6 minutes. We're going to go over any news we have, any potential setups we have, and everything else. 580. Oh, that trade was heat. Was anyone on here for that Power Hour trade yesterday? The 2-bar, the ultimate 2-bar? Where's the 2 bars at from yesterday during Power Hour? It's less of a crowd, but when you come, once in a blue moon, we'll catch a good trade. I always tell people 1 out of every about 10 Power Hour streams. Am I selling right now? What do you mean? Yeah, guys, the trading task force is here. We have a trading task force. We have a DoD task force. We have a risk management task force. We have an entries task force. We have an exits task force. We have a options task force. We have a futures task force. So that's what it freaking seemed like at that meeting yesterday. There's a task force for everything. A task force for this, a task force for that. We got a prop firm task force. We got an end of day drawdown task force, intraday drawdown task force. We got a Tradeify task force, a Lucid task force. We got a freaking Apex task force. We have a task force for the task forces. We have a task force for the task force that manages the task forces too. All of it. Can I become profitable only trading your 2-bar setup? I mean, probably not. You need to learn how to trade price action, but I guess it's certainly possible. The question answer. You know what we need is I need a freaking 2-bar task force for everyone that comes in and asks me about the damn 2-bar. I'm creating a 2-bar task force to take care of y'all. For every damn person that comes in and asks me about the 2-bar, I'm sending the 2-bar task force at you. Two-bar task force will be there shortly to discuss with you. I really feel it now. It's like you're the only one. Two-bar tones. Yep, Poppy, do it. As a reminder, guys, we sent out the emails yesterday. Make sure to check your spam. Go back in your spam from last night. Check your promotions. It's from Jdun. And the title of it is You Guys Literally Crashed the Checkout Last Night. That is the title. It is You Guys Literally Crashed the Checkout Last Night. That's the title of the email. Morning. When is Power Hour? And is it the same time every day? Power Hour is from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. It's the last hour of New York Open. Don't. Woo. Thank you, guys. All right, let's see what we can catch here. I got my little baby Porsche out too. This is how fast we're going today. Godspeed. Exact replica of the GT2 RS. If you guys want to trade with me today, right now, Apex still has accounts for 90% off. They are one-day pass using code Jdun. I like the 50K Trade of 8 end-of-day accounts. I like the 50K Trade of 8 end-of-day drawdown accounts. 90% is back, everybody. It's back and it's in action. Have a white 2RS on my... Thanks for the email with the recording. You're welcome. See, a lot of people got it. I'm not sure why to a select amount of people it's not going. Yeah, that's what they say. That's the legend. And DOD is how they pass it. I heard Coach Jdun gets the best discount in Grisology, too. It's the GOAT. It's the GOAT of all indicators. Yeah, I turn off the pain labels, man. I just don't like them. Some people love them. It's just I genuinely just like all the levels from Grisology. It makes it nice and clean. Stupid 2-bar. I'm about to be done trading that stupid setup. I try to find the easiest setup ever for people to learn, not you. And it just, I somehow cause more confusion. I can sit there and talk about equilibriums and higher lows and lower highs and breaks of structure. Oh, that's fine. Break out the 2-bar. What's the 2-bar? You found it in spam. You guys got to check your spam for your email. And if you guys want to enter into the giveaway, open that email, then reply. Reply DOD to the email. Just one time. I don't know. Go check your spam or promotions or something. All right. So the 2-bar from Power Hour yesterday. So you'll notice we had FOMC. It was very choppy, extremely choppy yesterday. And after Mr. I almost said J Powell, after Mr. Warsh came and spoke, this was during that time, we finally started to get some movement down. Well. You'll notice here, we have aggressive candle 1 and then aggressive candle to the downside 2. Now, what do we notice about the second candle here that's breaching low of day almost and a clear downtrend right here? We have higher volume and aggressive candle right here, okay? So at this point, you take that second candle and you draw from the high to the low. You look for the retest back up into this candle. I like taking the upper band of it when we have longer candlesticks. Our entry's at 186 on this, right around here. Put our stops here at 223, and we ride this down. You capitalize on retracements, but smaller size retracements in a trend. I rejoined Premium, but I can't find your live session. It's in Jdun Live Trading. I think I need to make an updated tutorial video on the Discord. No one can find the live trading link. Even though it's right. So Jdun Grizzly live trading. We should say Jdun Zoom. Is everyone trading minis or micros? I actually recommend most traders trade micros. Yep. The premium has no lag, access to the live trading chat, all the Jared Tumbler recordings. They also have the intercooling webinars as well and guest speakers. You just have to scroll up a little bit. We had someone in Team Bull yesterday say, holy crap, Jared Tendler is amazing. Just did my first call with him worth a year of Team Bull cost. I said, yep, telling you. Jdun, thank you for the video. You're welcome, bro. I got you. Tried minis and pooped myself when I moved. LOL. When it moved. Sticking to micros. That's probably a good idea, bro. Yes, the haters are here early. The best way to make money in trading is to become a self-proclaimed guru, then become a prop firm affiliate, and also sell a membership and mentorship, of course. Yeah. Let's go. Let's give a hand to Thunderhawk Trading. An underdeveloped, sad guru. We will pray for you and we love you. And now you're going to have to watch me catch a winner live in front of everybody. And also, you can catch that winner too, but you need to make sure to use code JDown on the account that you buy. All right? That's the only deal. Catch you the winner. You got to go use code JDown on the account that you get. Here, I'll even post the link. I'll even give you a link to do it. Got you, bro. Got you. My shins. I'll never understand, but we pray for them. We pray for our haters here. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. We were going over our 2-bar from yesterday, so we're going to go ahead, bring it back to the open. We have about 2 minutes till open. This is a great time to do your morning check-in, guys. Every morning I like to ask myself, how am I feeling today? Did I get a good night's sleep? Yes, I did. Do I have anything important going on today? No, I don't. Do I have anything weighing on me from the past trading days? No, I don't. All of these questions are super important because if you come into the day and you took a massive loss yesterday and you come in frustrated and pissed off and you want to make that money back, or you have a birthday party, or it's your birthday, or it's your dog's birthday, or you're not well rested and you're not focused, all of these issues will directly bleed onto your trading account. So that's where DOD comes in, discipline over dopamine. What's up, Mexico? What's up? How you doing, Taco Boy? Ready for your country's game tonight?
Yeah. Against South Korea.
In South Korea. The Burrito Bandit has arrived. Yes, he's here. The Burrito Bandit is in the building.
Burrito Bandito.
All right, everybody, we got 1 minute. Let's get it. Let's get it. You got anything on watch off the open, Grizzly? Let's get it. Is dinero how you say Gene and burrito? What's that even mean? What? Oh, too funny, too early for this. How was your night's sleep? Thank you for the coffee, by the way. You don't trade animal patterns. Well, you should. I'll teach you the bird beak. It's going to cost you about 8,000, but I'll teach you it. I'll teach you the bird beak strategy. You already know how the bird beak goes. As a reminder, if you want to take a trade with me today, let's run up some bags on Apex. The 50K trade of 8 end of days are 1 day pass, and they have options for no activation fees as well. You can use code Jdun. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here with me. If you're in the premium, you guys are in the best spot to be. Active community, no lag, real-time alerts. So you're about 5 to 7 seconds ahead of anybody else. We just had Jared Tendler's latest workshop that is also posted in Jared Tendler Recording. So if you're new here, you want to catch up on your psychology this weekend, that's where there. And then also there's a bunch of solid stuff in guest speakers and education. They both got some bangers. Both got some bangers. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Today is our last trading day of the week, everybody. Tomorrow is Juneteenth, so the market is closed, or it closes early, but I will not be trading. Where's everybody checking in from today? Where are you all trading from? Where's everybody joining me from? Got Kansas in the house. I'm sorry. To Iowa and Kansas, I'm sorry for both you guys. New Jersey, England, Dallas, Toronto, Louisville, Kentucky, Oregon, Montreal, Texas, Montana, Bahamas. I have a business in Montana, Idaho, Canada, India, Hawaii, Boston, Indiana, Florida. Okay, Los Angeles. All right. Ottawa, Canada. Mars. Big SpaceX guy, huh? Hong Kong, Arizona, Alaska. Hey, yeah, you already know it, Noah. Denver, baby. We got Denver in the house. That's what I'm talking about. Still haven't told you guys what the boring business I'm opening, or in the process of opening, like 99% sure we're good on, is Jdun's going to own a boring business. For anyone who's new to the streams, too, I don't trade for the first 15 minutes, so we let this range develop, just so you know. Some people would be like, Jdun, where's the trade? I'm like, we don't trade the first 15 minutes. Dude, that Knicks parade looked insane. I would... no, I would never start another prop firm ever. I prefer to just be an affiliate and to trade live. Storage is a great business, but not the one. Laundromats are not the one. Great businesses, especially in areas that have lots of apartments or that people still actively use them. I'm down for laundromats. It just isn't the one. You want to own a mini storage trailer? Bro, do you know how profitable trailer parks are to own? It is so hard to find someone who's selling a trailer park that actually as cash flowing. They are so profitable. I would love to own a trailer park. 100%. One day. It's the best. Seriously, they're so profitable. Like, so profitable. They're so hard to buy one. So profitable, man. My goal is to try to get out of the trailer park. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's find a 2-bar set at the 2-bar. We'll get you out. No, you can't just buy land and make it a trailer park. I don't believe that's how it works. There's a lot of, whenever you want to open a boring business of any kind, trailer parks or storage or laundromats or car washes or whatever else, there's lots of permitting and lots of steps that go through that. There's also moratoriums in some places, zoning laws. There's just a lot of different stuff you have to go through, man. Dealing with the city is not fun. That's why for this specific boring business, my boy is good friends with the mayor of the city. And so he's been able to make some magic happen with our boring business. Some of the guesses on my IG story were hilarious. All right, guys, we touched pre-market high. I need to update my settings on here real quick. Yep, we touched pre-market high almost to a T. We're about 6 minutes in. Parking lots actually can be a great business too. I was talking about boring businesses, and I was telling everyone how I'm buying a boring business, but well, no, I haven't said what it is. I'll text you though. Maybe we catch a 200 pointer. I'll say it. Are you? You see my text, Grizzly? Oh, bro, money printer. Money printer. No, but I follow her. I like a lot of Cody's content. She's great. Vending machines. Vending machines are tough too. I'm the next drop shipping guru. Yeah, drop shipping. That's what it is drop shipping. Feet finder. Yep. Putting these size 15 sleds to work. Pep to the Tide Company. No. Those are extremely profitable because all the ingredients come from China, but that's a different topic for a different day. The people selling the masses peptides are making enormous amounts of money, like enormous amounts. They are so cheap. And people say, oh, they're made in the USA. No, they're not. They're compounded in the USA. They're not made. All of the ingredients come from China. They're compounded here. They're not made here. There's a huge difference. All. Yes, 100% all. There is no American-made peptides. They can be compounded here. You guys need to go listen to some long-form podcasts. Now, that doesn't mean That doesn't mean that they're bad. There is some good quality ones that come from China, but it's true. Anything you buy, the ingredients are going to come from China. It's just what it is. It can be compounded here. Yeah, I'm just saying that's just what it is. And the reality is that it's very cheap to buy, so those people are making bands. Making bands. Do I like the new Fed chair? I don't really have an opinion yet. He seems like he really likes task forces. I'll tell you that much. But I don't have an opinion yet. We're at this bottom of the range pivot. I've been having these pivots on my charts here and there. After seeing some killers in Team Bull use them, I figured I'd add them to my arsenal. So I have them on my other charts off screen sometimes too, but you can see we're right at these pivot points. Yeah. I like Wallen. He's cool. All right, everybody. Good morning. We are 4 minutes away from having our 15-minute range in. We are 4 minutes away from having this range in, and then we'll start looking for one winning trade. It is the final day of the trading week. Tomorrow is Juneteenth. Therefore, the stock market closes early, and I will not be participating. So this is my last trading day of the week. Let's make it a good one. Is anyone else's MNQ not moving? Make sure you have the new contracts, MNQ U6. Make sure you have the new contracts. Am I trading tomorrow? What did I literally just say? I'm not trading tomorrow. I am hitting a big hike tomorrow, more than likely. Jdun, will you explain the 2-bar tomorrow during live trading? Yeah. Yep, guys, I'll be on the live tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. Mountain Time, explaining the 2-bar for the market. I'll definitely for sure be on. For sure we'll be on. Tomorrow is the 2-bar explanation day. All right, guys, we are just 1 minute away now. 1 minute away from having our 15-minute range in. Yeah, that bear almost got me last week. Can you show the 5-bar? Jdun, where's the 3, 4, and 5-bar methods? We got 10 seconds on this candle, guys. And then we will officially start looking for an A+ setup. We got pre-market low down here at 352. Gene takes his pew-pew. The bear just wanted to know what the 2-bar was. So, all right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. Where we are closer to pre-market low than we are high. I'm going to execute a whole lot of patience today, guys. I'm in no rush to take anything. It's our last trading day of the week. Going to trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. I do have ES up on the screen as well over here. So we'll see what we get. That's a big old opening range. Big old opening range. Yep. On Apex, you can use code Jdun. It's a 90% off right now. They also now have accounts with no activation fees as well. One in the background. Yeah, we put the metallic on. You know what comes next. Market going red today. We'll see. It's possible. I'm watching options on QQQ. Every time it dips, the puts actually get cheaper, and when it spikes, they get more expensive. A lot of times that's just IV balancing out. Premiums balancing out. Let's get it, everybody. This is your daily. I'm sorry, what? Yep. Yep. Same patient waiting for an A+ setup. I don't know what price is going to do yet. I couldn't tell you what price is going to do yet, but we're going to figure it out. Yep. I think you should. Why not? That's right. It is Father's Day weekend. Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers and daddies out there. What did you say? Thank you, Tyler. Happy Father's Day to you, Daddy. All right, that is crazy, Tyler. Out of pocket. Y'all are ridiculous. Yeah, shout out to all the Nas daddies out there. Shout out to all the Nas daddies. Jdun, I have a father, but I'm looking okay. All right, this is getting out of pocket. We're up here. We gotta take it down here. Take this back a few notches. Things are getting out of control. All right, guys, still just waiting, staying patient. We are at that 50% retracement mark here, but we're not really respecting our above view up, right at point of control, below 50%, and right between these two pivots, right between 50% high and low of the range. So that means we wait. We stay patient. No need to rush anything, guys. No need to rush. Market's not going anywhere. Setups will be here on Monday. You know what the silliest thing people say to me sometimes is? It's also OPEX today, guys, too, so please remember that. But it's one of the silliest things people say is like, Jdun, it's easy for you to say you don't have to trade. You don't need the money. And I'm like, even if I had $1,000 to my name, I would have the same discipline practices I do with lots of thousands of dollars to my name. The more that you need the money and that you think that you have to trade and take more trades, the less money you're going to make. That's what you guys got to understand. There's not this. It's a complete fugazi that if you have less money, you have to trade more to make more. It's actually the opposite. Once you accept and you embrace quality over quantity, that's what matters. That's what's going to get you paid. Such a painful truth. It is true. And sometimes just need a reminder of that. My wife has already placed 6 trades this morning. It's been 22 minutes. Well, probably might want to get a handle on that. You guys need to have an intervention. You get paid to wait. That's right. You get paid to wait. That is 100% facts. That is 110% facts. As a reminder, if you're on the YouTube, I appreciate you guys hitting that thumbs up. If you guys get to the like goal, 500 plus thumbs up, I give you guys accounts. 600, I give you more. And 700, we get the cash out. TikTok as well. If you guys get this to 100K likes, if you tap that screen over and over, tap, you guys win free stuffs too. I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button and also hitting that subscribe. Appreciate you guys being here every single day using code Jdun for your trading accounts. And let's find a winner together, all right? DOD. Didn't you say at Jdun that the most successful traders are people that are already successful, so they aren't as worried about the money? Not in that way, but in a sense, a trader who isn't worried about the money is going to be less emotional about it than a trader who is. So, like, say that you have trader A who has a steady income and wants to build this into a side income. They're not worried about paying their rent. They're not worried about where they're going to get food or how they're going to pay for their kids' formula or whatever. They're going to have less stress and emotion weighing on their trading versus trader B, who has no job and who quits their job to full-time trade and has to trade to pay their rent and to buy food and whatever else. They're going to have a really hard time separating their emotion from their trading. That's what I always tell you guys. That's why, regardless of what these goofballs tell you that tell you to quit your job and, buy a course and trade full time, it's like, I don't want you to quit your job. I'd rather you have 2 full years of profitability and a good chunk in your savings account and in your nest egg before you even think about quitting to trade full time. It's not what a lot of you guys want to hear, but it's the truth. That's why I always tell y'all, if you guys see some ads where people are like, hey, come buy my course and quit your job, just run as far as possible. Run. Sprint. Straight out. All right, so this could be interesting, guys. We might get a 5-minute reversal candle here with higher volume off point and control off this 50% retracement. So I may be down to look for a move back up into here for shorts with stops above the highs. Not my favorite setup, but technically is valid. For 500 stops it. Have to have stops above like 540. I'm going to watch how price reacts up here, guys. Damn. We hit point of control. I want to see us come back up into this range. Damn. Don't go without us. Or dang, excuse me. Darn it. Yes, I was looking for a retracement back up into this candle for to like 500 for a little less risk. We hit point of control almost to a T. It's not my favorite setup, guys, trading within this 15-minute range, but there is times where it's acceptable. So I'll watch how we react in here once we get to this, if we get to this retracement here, and see if we can find a nice lower high. But just for educational reference, it is not my favorite trading in this 15-minute range. Is it valid and is there some sort of edge? Yes. But is it my favorite type of trade where I made a lot of my money? No. So we'll see how we react. We're at point of control. These are these little blue dots right here. This is the highest volume point of the day. And right now you guys can see that we're rejecting this. If we would have had a little less wick here, I would have been open to trying shorts here. I just didn't want to put on nearly 60 points of risk this early in the middle of the 15-minute range. Hopefully that makes sense. Oh, come on. We're also between pre-market high and pre-market low, too. We don't really have a lot of trend quite yet. Thank you. Man, that's a bummer, guys. I thought they were going to give us that retest up. That sucks. Jdun Think Indicator wins again. I told you guys the bias is rarely wrong. That one there's not even the slightest bit of FOMO on though. I wanted to see us retrace a bit higher. There's just a little bit too much risk here, given the circumstances. But maybe it helped some of you guys not go long. You know, sometimes the think indicator can be good for that too. Maybe it's not catching win, but maybe it's avoiding a loss. I'm pretty good at that. My bias is usually pretty solid. Let's have an aggressive break below levels with rising. I don't love trading inside the first. This is a tough candle to short too. Tough candle to short right here. We have lower volume, sure, but we also have an aggressive wick up when we bounced VWAP in this pivot down here. Yep. The pivot is pivoting. The pivot is pivoting. What's up, Jdun? How's your dog doing? My dog's great. Thanks for asking. My dog's tumor has gone down like 3/4 the size. Forgot to tell you guys that. Now, mind you, it can come back up, but his lip is like basically almost looks normal. So his treatment's working. So far, and he's acting fine. His treatment is working so far. He's been acting fine. Yep, I appreciate you guys asking. Thank you. As a reminder, everybody that's on the TikTok too, I'm live on the YouTube, the Tube as well if you want full screen share. Jdun Trades. I'd love for at least 50 of you guys to come on over. Come hit that subscribe button and join us. This algorithm's great for showing us new people. I'd love to have you guys tap in. We're building the largest community around. Anyone take that pivot? I personally, would I take it short, you coward. Sorry, guys. I'm a coward because I'm not shorting in the middle of the 50% range and then in the middle of pre-market high and pre-market low. I'm a coward. It's a new one. You know what? You're brave. You take it. I genuinely hope it works. And I mean that. All right. We do have a potential bird beak forming, guys. Bird beak setup is forming. We got a nice sparrow in play. This is actually the hummingbird. It's a bit smaller. We have a hummingbird retracement breakout in play. That's a joke for anyone who's new. I got to remember to tell people I'm joking. Otherwise, people are like, "Wait, what is this bird beak? Where do I find the video in the bird beak?" $260 on the pivot. Jdun, I want to kiss you. Well, I appreciate that, but please don't. In all seriousness, is the bird beak compressing? So we'll see if we can get a breakout with rising volume. We're right smack. We've just done nothing but chop. Done nothing but chop. Might join you with 2 today. All right. Words in my head. We got 8 more seconds on this candle. It doesn't look like we're going to get higher volume, but we might break out of these key levels. So we'll see. Just waiting. Serious question. What's your favorite bird? I don't really have a favorite bird. I like robins. My grandma likes robins a lot. Still no confirmations, guys. No confirmation, no trade. Bald. Yeah. If we would have had this higher volume, me too. Maybe like look for a point of control bounce and then put stops below like 445. Do I watch the market on the weekends? I don't even think about the word trading on the weekends. Doing my best to DOD though. Nice. All right, let's see if we can get a confirmation candle here. Also, where's the guy that said I was a coward for not shorting? I hope you're doing okay, bro. Because based on this last 5 minutes of action, we were up 100 points, about 90 points since that was said. You know, hey, for whoever said I was a coward, I got some crutches for you for your trading account. I think you might need these, bro. It's not looking good. Not at this moment. It's not looking good. Not even a little. Sorry, bro. You might need those. But we'll get the next one. Oh, man. Yeah, we are currently 100 points from that. Do I watch Love Island? No. I don't watch reality television. Potential 2-bar developing, not quite, because we're not in an uptrend yet. Before this next 5-minute candle closes, I got to use the restroom, guys. Gene is, I don't know where Gene is this morning. He's nowhere to be found. He's hiding from me. I'll be right back in like 2 minutes. Stopfield. Order filled. All right, let's go. My nightmare background noises. Green Day, we'll see. So this isn't quite a 2-bar yet. Now that said, can you use 5-minute confirmation candles for continuation? Yes. However, we're below 15-minute low. We're below pre-market low. We're also below this pivot right here. We have a little, not too much wick here, but if you were to take the longs here, I'm just not fully confident in it. I mean, if we're going to uptrend, this is going to be the spot we bounce. I'm just not fully confident on it. We'll see how we react here, guys. DOD, though, all the way. That's right. We finally have some rising volume. It's just we're right below these levels. There is times where I'll take a setup like this. The circumstances just have to be right. Huh. Lagged out. We have like a 1.5 bar here. Check, check, check. Buys for all-time highs. That rhymes. But no. Stay impatient, everybody. Stay impatient. As a reminder, everyone on the YouTube, I appreciate you guys being here, hitting that subscribe button, and also pressing that bell icon and turning those notifications on. If you guys press the bell, I go live. We had some great trading. We had a great trading session and ideas last night in Asia. I'll also go live for Power Hour. So make sure you guys hit that bell icon, turn those notifications on, join the Noti gang. And then in addition to that, if you're on TikTok, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. Tapping in, hitting that like. Who's all in Noti gang on YouTube? Where's Noti gang at? Who's all got their noties on? Kyle does. Cece does. There we go. Let's go. Christopher does. Twiggy does. I know Artif does. And if you didn't, well, congratulations. Hopefully now you do. I do a lot of random live streams that you do not want to miss. I told you guys, too, I'm going to start trading Asia more. I was on last night for like 2 hours. We had a great stream. I'm going to start trading in the afternoons a bit more. In the evenings. Not every day, but a bit more. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you have your noties on for when I do. And Power Hour. Like, if you didn't have your noties on, you might not have gotten the Power Hour notification. We caught a 200-point win. Also, a reminder, guys, we hold on. Woo! Yeah. Woo! All right. We sent out that email yesterday for the recording of the webinar. I make the best. In another life, I was a freaking voiceover person. Order filled. Stop filled. We call that the stop filled and order filled. Trade of 8. A voice actor. That's right. So effing annoying. Well, I love you too.
What do you miss?
Look at Gene. Come here. You look like a real Mexican.
Mexicans don't wear gloves though.
Bro has the paint. Bro has the paint outfit. $300. Oh, that's too funny.
What's going on?
What up?
Take anything?
Nope.
Chilling?
It says man's missing a white coat and a cigar. Yeah, make sure you guys check your spam, and also make sure you check your promotions for the recording. I know there's been some people who didn't get it, but a lot of people have gotten it. Check your spam, check your, and it'd be from last night. So scroll back a little. Prammy got it. Yep, Gene needs a thick mustache now. Finally got it at 9:30 last night. Yep, and make sure if you guys want to enter into the giveaway for today, make sure you open it and reply. Reply DOD to the email. Yep, go and physically reply DOD to the email. It helps our open rate, and make sure you get emails in the future when we have different webinars or you need recordings and such, and it helps our CRM. So go check your spam, go check your promotions, go check your inbox. The title of it was "You guys literally crashed the checkout last night." I think that was the title, something like that. All right, now let's get some more volume on this. We got 2 minutes and 20 seconds left on this candle. You know, that would have been pain. If I would have taken this, you know where my stop would have been? Right below this candle, and it would have wicked out by a few points. Oh, that would have riled me up. My stop would have been right here. Would have just wicked out right here and then ripped. That's what it did. If you took that trade, you did it right. That's just unfortunate. What it would have wicked out by points. Found it in my spam email. Nice. Yeah, open it and reply to it. That's what just happened to me. Yep, and you managed that right. Now, what I will tell you is that sometimes this could give us a nice continuation candle here, guys. This is something I might be willing to try. We got 1 more minute here. Yep. Remember that when pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. A very, very rich man that I knew when I was growing up told me that. I said, pigs get fat. What'd you say? What?
We're just going through some tough times. He'd always say it. I hated it then, but I think about it often now when I'm going through like a hard time. We'd be doing like working all day, about in the garden. Life on a pig farm. I'm just saying.
What would he say?
That's just life on a pig farm.
Life on the pig farm. Let's see, the low here is 500. I think we get more upside here, guys. I really do. I'll watch for a retracement for longs down in here. It looks like we want. What do you say?
So we got the volume on that.
Yep. Yep, we'll see. I have a feeling we might bounce. I feeling we might bounce this pivot, but I'll watch for this higher low here. I personally wouldn't try shorts up here. That's just not how I trade. But if you tried shorts, I hope that it gets the pullback you're looking for. Hope not. Yeah, we might just bounce this pivot and move. It's just too much risk. Even if we didn't necessarily hit the 50% retracement, but this candle wasn't quite as aggressive, I'd be potentially open to trying this here and targeting this high a day. But if I'm going to potentially attempt this, I need good risk reward. Jdun's like a solar eclipse. He trades once on a blue moon. Why? They're saying I'm boring. But hey, you know what? Boring gets you paid. You know, it might be boring trading with y'all, but at least you're going to walk out of here with money to spend and have fun. You guys start calling me Unk, so I gotta roll with the shots, you know? All right, I'm going to watch for this higher low here. Yeah, not my favorite setup ever, but worth a watch for sure. I have a feeling we're going to bounce before, though. I think there's a very high probability right now we're going to go test high a day. If we make this higher low here. Boring equals still better than your 9 to 5. Yep. I'll never understand. People will say that $200, $300, $400 a day trading is not enough or it's unacceptable, but then they'll go work 8 hours for $300. Why? Here's that high a day coming. Figured it was going to happen. I wanted to see a bit lower, but just not doing it for us. Damn, high a day. There it is. That pivot's pivoting. Wanted to see a bit lower into this 50% retracement. Barely lost, but that's okay. Or barely missed, excuse me, not lost. We're not going to get higher volume on this candle either. We only have 1 more minute left on it. It's all right, guys. We stay patient. Trade smart, trade safe, and we shall wait. I wish we had higher volume. This would be a great retest. So if candle structure looks good enough, guys, and you see a move like this, there is a world where we can try the pullback here to these stacked key levels. You just have to understand, like, if I take, let's say we get this close up here. I don't think we're going to. We're pulling back. If we got this close up here, I'd be open to looking for a retest back down into the stacked level zone, but I'm going to use less size because we're not going to have the volume confirmation I want to see. So if price structure looks okay, I'll do it still, but I'm also going to use less risk. If I do. 567. 600 to 570. My finger on the trigger for longs, guys. I'm going to go about half size. If we get what I like, I think this could be the bounce here at 600. I want to see a tad bit lower. I don't love that we don't have rising volume here. That said, I think it could still be a chance. We'll see. I haven't entered yet, guys. Just watching. Fingers on the trigger for longs. I have not tried them yet. Just waiting. I need to see a little more confirmation. I wanted to see us move down into here and then wick up. If we don't get the wick back up, then I wait. Like if we make a higher low here and then move back up to 600, I'll try it around 600. And then I'll keep stops below like 565 if I try. If not, no entry. No confirmation, no trade, guys. No trade yet, guys. All right, guys, let's see what we get. This is why we wait. This is why you need to see the break. You want to see the breakdown and reclaim, not just the initial long. That's why we wait. That is why we wait. We got Tesla dying too. What's SpaceX doing today? SPCX 180 going down. Let's wait and see. This is where DOD comes in, guys. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient, everybody. You come on this live with me every day, I'm going to convince you, I'm going to bully you into trading smart, trading safe, and following your rules. I got one share of SpaceX at 165. Well, please don't sell. I don't want the market to crash. We'll see. We'll see what this 15-minute candle looks like. Damn, this is an aggressive wick down. Am I dating SpaceX? Yeah, I love her. It's my baby. I've said it before. I'll say it again. I will put six figures, over $100,000 into SpaceX once we get below 100. If and when that happens, I will put six figures into SpaceX. If we get to 75, I'll put another 75 grand in. If we get to 60, I will put 120,000. I'll buy 2,000 more shares. Yep, we also have Apex, OPEX today too. Let's see what we get. This is your 1 hour in reminder, guys, and check in. Who's all staying DOD? You guys all following your rules, staying patient? Type yes in the chat if you're following your rules and staying patient and choosing DOD. Herman is. Calhoun is. Eat Your Tots is. Jessica is. Paulina is. Random Guy is. Burb is. Kippy is. Michelle is. Of course, Jesse is. Let's go. Good. There's been no trend today, guys. There's been no trend. No trend, no trade. Amar, you been naughty, you sneaky little snake. Stop being naughty. Stop it. You been naughty, Gene? You've been a very naughty boy. I'm going to spank you if you quit being naughty. What?
Go back to normal.
Damn. My TikTok just restricted me for 10 minutes. It said it was for bullying. Is it because I talk like this? Oh, it's all right. Whatever. Well, stick around for the next 10 minutes. It'll be unrestricted. Oh, man. I'm sorry, TikTok algorithm. I guess I'm a big old bully. What? Soft. It just won't show the live to new people for 10 minutes. It's probably because I said I was gonna, yeah. Yep. All right, guys, let's see what we get. As a reminder, guys, if you're on TikTok, appreciate you guys hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every day. Make sure you guys hit that follow button so you don't miss any lives in the future. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, baby. See what we get. It's OPEX today. We had FOMC this week, and it's a short week. I would not be surprised if I didn't take a trade today. I'm not saying I'm not going to.
I gotta go clean all my brushes.
Your what?
I gotta go clean my brushes.
Where?
I'm gonna clean my
Oh.
brushes. So look at that when you're done.
uh, you guys come in here to my lives and ask me what my opinion is on other traders, and I tell you the same thing every day. What do I tell you guys when you guys ask me about other grown men in my lives? What do I say? Not speaking about no other grown man on my stream. If you guys want drama or politics, you can go to Facebook or go watch Fox News and CNN. I prefer to be here and make money, and I think most of you guys do too. Yeah, I say everyone sucks except me. That's what I say. I say every other trader is the worst besides me. That's what I say. If I'm not worried about another grown man. This is an interesting spot. The only grown man I'll talk about, or the only strategy I'll talk about being too complicated is ICT. What about a grown woman? No, I don't. I'm not going to talk crap about no grown woman either. Nope. Can you explain your bird strategy? The bird beak strategy is one of a kind. I don't know if I should give that out for free. Oh man, need a bird beak task force. Yeah, we might. Sure. Bird beak is the #1 profitable strategy. That is true. Go get yourself a prop firm account. Use code Jdun and use the bird beak strategy. Guaranteed payouts. Just from the bird beak, though. Bro, just cooking. Let's go. No trades for me yet, guys. Staying patient. As a reminder, the market is closed tomorrow, or it closes early. We have Juneteenth tomorrow, federal holiday. So the market will be closing early. I will not be trading. Just so you guys know, I will be out hiking a mountain. Probably. I love mountain biking. I just love I love nature, guys. I love going out. Like my fun is out in nature. I don't drink. I haven't drank in 25 months. I don't do drugs. I don't party. Very boring, you could say. One might say. Boring means peace. I agree. I didn't understand that for a long time. Now I understand it. I like my little boring. Everyone's like, Jdun, do a day in the life video. I'm like, you guys want to see me wake up and mix my electrolytes and take my vitamins and go meditate and sit in the sauna and then come on here and trade and then go to the gym and then mind my own business and read a book? That's what y'all want to see? You want to watch me mix my electrolytes and eat my bowl of ground beef and avocado? Yes, Jdun, I would genuinely love that. Yep. The boring life. The heart wants what the heart wants. This is some snooze fest PA, guys. This is terrible. Terrible. What pivot indicator? Fibonacci. Oh, man. Let's see. You can do the entire day filming your feet. The day in the life of your feet. People would pay for that. Let's. I had proof of it. The freaking foot guy. I never responded to him. Should we respond to him while we're waiting for the snooze fest PA? Bro said, how much would you want? I should say how much you got. Say how much you got. Willing to put up, big boy. All right, let's see what he says. Boring. Sorry, I was on my phone. I was bored, man. Need to find a winning trade. Yeah, boring is fun. I mean, boring saves us money. I assume that before implementing DoD, this is the type of price action a lot of you guys would be constantly trying to find trades in and constantly trying to catch all these moves up and down and blowing your accounts. My job is to keep you in this game long term. Okay, I always tell you guys, if you're trading a live account with me, or if you're trading a funded account, whatever it is, if you're trading a funded account and you're using code Jdun, I want you to come in and promise to me and promise to yourself that you're going to choose DoD. If you're in a live account, it goes without saying you're going to come in and respect your risk, respect your money, and choose DoD. Were the last 4 bars a successful 2-bar? No, there's been no 2 bars here. One could have argued this as a 2-bar, but even then, no, because we weren't full uptrend yet. What about Jdun? You down to open a trading cafe, fast casual restaurant? No food. I'll never open a restaurant ever. Too hard. Some people can make it work, not me. Margins are extremely low. If you've owned a restaurant, you can chime in chat and tell everybody it is not easy to make work. Not easy to make work. One of the hardest businesses to make work. Very high failure rate, just like trading. It's just tough. I don't know enough. I don't care enough about owning a restaurant. I'd rather own boring businesses that don't require food. If you serve alcohol, that's where a lot of restaurants make up their margins. You got to remember, food is like 2 to 3% margins usually, give or take. Alcohol is very high margins, but food, restaurants, in of itself, this could give an entry, guys. I'm open to looking for an entry on this candle. I hate how much we've chopped so far today, but this could give an entry. 570. We could look for entry at like 610 to 620 with stops below 570. I will be taking it lower risk. It's OPEX. FOMC week, short week. We'll see how this candle closes. We have 1 more minute on it. Yep. I will likely try this at 620 to 610, guys, just so you know. But it will be lower risk. Watching this long entry with me? We have stacked key levels at 620 to 610, so I will watch this entry for longs right here, everybody. Yep. Yep. Come on, a little lower. All right. Yep. I'm starting a light size at 620, guys. Started a light size longs, 620. I'll look to add at 600. Stops are at 569. I did start a small size longs here. I will look to add, if we move down, and stop out below 568. little higher risk. We have OPEX. We have we had FOMC this week, short week. So I did try a piece of longs. I'm willing to go 0 for 1 and start my day red if it does not work out. This is the area I like, guys. The 610 to 620. My average on this is 615, everybody. I will stop out at 568. Come on. Push to high a day. Now push us up. We're getting the initial push, which is good. I'd like to see high a day. Come on. Push us up. We're trying to push, so at least it shows we had the right idea, even if we stop out. I like that we didn't. Come on. Come on. Push us up. Come on. Stops are below this previous 5-minute low. We're trying to push up, not getting the follow through I really want to see. My stops are at 560, 568. If we get stopped out here, I got about 30 more minutes, but I'm not going to push anything too hard this week, guys. We have it's OPEX. It's also a short week, and we had FOMC. So all those signs can lead to us being a bit more choppy. We'll see if we can get it. I like this area right here. This was my favorite ad area for longs at this 50% retracement, 15-minute high, pre-market high. If I didn't take this and then we ripped up, I'd be pretty bummed. So if we lose, I'm sorry. If we lose, it's OPEX's fault. How about that? If we win, it's because I'm the GOAT. If we lose, it's because it's OPEX's fault. Yeah, the setup looks great. I mean, we had an initial, we were up like some 615. We were up like 15, 20 points, but not enough to trim. I want to see high a day. Or at least up to like 650 plus. Come on. Now push us up, please. Please push us up. Okay, come on. I do have a hard stop in at 568, guys. So if we get some BS candle, I'll get stopped out at 568. I always have hard stops in. Not the greatest candle in the world here. But still okay. We're up about 15 points right here. Come on, push us up higher. If you guys want, it's OPEX, so if you want to sell early, I don't blame you. I'd like to see higher, but it is OPEX and short week and FOMC week. So again, we're up right now. We're up about at the highs, 20 points. I'd like to see higher, but don't come whining to me if we get stopped out. This market's been very choppy. If I had more risk on, I probably would have trimmed up there. I'd still like to see us move up. It's not looking super great right now. But I'm gonna let this trade play out how I'd planned. Saw a move up 20 points up to 635. Just wasn't quite enough for me to take profit. Yeah, so I'm following original plan, guys. I'm holding my trade. We win, we win. We lose, we lose. If you don't like it, you're still in profit right here. Take it off. Enjoy your Thursday. Take it off for 7 points. Enjoy your coffee. I would like to see high a day, but it's stalling. So we'll see. We got to move for 20 points. The setup is technically valid, but we're not really seeing a whole lot of continuation. Come on. Come on. I'm going to take off half my position up here, guys. Half my position off up here at 640 or 638. Half my position taken off up here, guys. I trimmed off half of my position up here. This is the first trim spot up here. I'd like to see high a day. Half of my position is off. I'm now going to move my stop loss because it's OPEX. I'm going to move my stop loss up to 615. We're going to guarantee this is a green trade. I'd like to see 660 plus. I'd like to see 660 plus, but just in case, I'm going to solidify this as a green day. 615 to 640. I'd like to see 660 plus, everybody. But winning trade regardless. Let's see if we can keep this pushing up. We're at 646, 30 points here, guys. I don't want to see anyone let this go red. I'd like to see a trend day come out of this, and I'd like to see us move up to this 660, 670. Typically, I'd like to see us just let this run, but I'm willing to scalp this a little earlier because of the circumstances and how today's been. It's OPEX. Put the rest of my stops at 615. So we'll have a small green day if it comes back. If you want a little more risk, you can keep your stops at like 600. But we're going to have a winning day regardless, even if it's small. Not quite the R multiple I wanted to see out of it if it stops out, but we'll take it. Not quite the R multiple I wanted to see out of it, but we'll take it. Oh, no, out of this trade, guys. Out of this trade at 615. We might end up going up. We could potentially look for another entry, but I'm keeping my green. I don't trust OPEX. I don't trust the chop. So I'm keeping my small green, guys. $600 for Nigel. Nice. Even base hits. 50, 100, 150. We'll take the win. $100 is $100. Thank you. I made 300. Nice. Hey, we'll take a small win, but we'll take it, guys, for OPEX. And how choppy it's been. We celebrate base hits here. We celebrate base hits on this side. We'll see if we can look for another entry, too. We don't need it. Hey, we'll take small green, baby. We'll take it. That's all day. All right, let's get some good vibes flowing. I want to see all the base hits. We're talking even $5, $10. If you guys caught a base hit on that with me, ending the week on a small green. Let me see in the chat. Type what base hit we're at on the chat today, guys. If you took that trade, If you guys took that trade, how much money did you make? We love base hits. 34, 145, 51, 300, 111, 30, 110, 100, 300, 55, 34, 60. We'll take it, guys. Base hits add up. Minimal drawdown. Almost 1R. We'll take it. Winner on the day. Now your job is to not overtrade and give it back. We wanted to see higher. I think we could get it, but with OPEX, we're not going to risk it, baby. We'll take it, baby. Come on. We got almost 1R out of that. Almost 1R. We'll take it. Small win. Why do I feel bad about a $120 trade? You shouldn't. It's like the sign that I have on my wall. If I could take it off, I would. It's stuck. It says 252 trading days a year. $200 a day is $50K a year. If you make $100 a day, guys, that is an extra $25,000 a year. If you average $100 a day. Who is going to say no to an extra $25K a year? But Jdun taxes. Okay. $15,000 extra a year after taxes. That pays for your groceries. I would have rather seen this go higher. I think it could still, but again, look at this garbage PA. I don't trust it. Average 615, took off half my position up here above 640. Stops at break even. It's a small day. Made some light progress in the live. Quick few $100. We'll take it. All right, here's the deal. I got some accounts to give away too. If you guys want to win an account or a Venmo, post your gains. I want to see base hits in the post your gains tab. Tag me and post your gains. Tag me in the post your gains tab. If you got them, even if it's $5. At Jdun Trades. I'm also going to be giving away a Venmo to X if someone tags me on Twitter with their gains. Majority of the giveaways go inside Team Bull. However, I've been trying to grow our community. Drop some nukes on the Twitter community. Tag me on X at Jdun Trades. I'll repost you and we'll enter you into a giveaway too. I still think this wants to go. There we go. There's some X tags. Let's go. There's some X tags. Yeah, tag me on MySpace. That's it. I remember MySpace. I actually missed that low key. Yup. Let's go. Tag me on the X, baby. I'm reposting all you guys. You got to tag me with your gains. I still think it can move. Don't. Let's go. Damn, this is the one, guys. You're still in this trade? I mean, it's so choppy, man. I think it can go. All the signs point to up. Don't. Stacked key levels, guys. Whether it's a massive trade or a base hit, it works. I'd like to see us, if you're still in this trade, pop above high a day. Remember, if you guys want to enter the giveaways today, post your gains. And in addition to that, tag me on X. Hop on Bookmap? I've thought about it. I have before. It's just order flow. It's pretty easy to read. I wouldn't say easy, actually. It's simple. Well, small win today, guys. We'll take it, though. DOD. I was following. Yep. It might need to happen, honestly. Here's what we need. I'll do it for y'all. I'm going to do something crazy. Not crazy, but... Let's go. Let it rip. Let's go! If you guys are still in, that's what we were looking for. The song worked for y'all. I got y'all. I didn't catch the whole move, but for those of you who took it, Damn, look at that. I'm just happy you guys, whoever stayed in. Got a nice solid winner, and then some of you that stayed in got a really big winner. What? Look at that. Grizzly, that's hilarious. Yep, 155. We'll take it. That's a win. If you guys got them, tag me on X with your gains. Let's go. Nope, no 2-bar. This is actually a good reversal candle here. Green week for my prop eval. See you next week, Jdun. Wishing you a blessed weekend. If you guys made money, don't give it back now. OPEX PA will take it. Do not give it back, everybody. Half the battle of you becoming a profitable trader and making money consistently doing this is you not giving back your money. One example I say all the time, I'm going to say again today, is I want you to think back for the last 6 months. It is June 18th. For the last 6 months, if you could take away half, just half, of the stupid, unsystematic, and losing trades that you took, not good losing trades, but the stupid, impulsive, dopamine-based trades, how much more money would you have? How much more money would you have if you could take away half of your dumb, unsystematic, silly trades? You'd have some nice payouts. You'd have a lot more money. The cool thing about trading and the cool thing about your brain is that brain fluidity exists. You can change the entire neural wiring of your brain and your thought process. That starts today, everybody. You don't give back that money. You have a win today. Every day we come on. My goal for you guys is to implement DOD, have you take base hits, and when we lose, because inevitably sometime we will lose, right? It just happens. But we keep it small and we don't go on tilt. Renew your mind with DOD. That's right. So refreshing to be on with some real ones. Yeah, we have an awesome community, guys. We don't do drama, none of the BS. We just be vibing. Small wins do matter. 2 W's, 50 and 75. Yep, take it. I just realized I have my blood work today too. I like to go every few months and get my full panel done. I get my testosterone, all my vitamins, all my micronutrients, literally everything. So I got my blood work coming up soon. If you are, well, honestly, a man or a female, if you are an adult, I recommend you get your blood work done quarterly too, or at least like every 6 months. If you find yourself not able to focus, having a lot of brain fog, not feeling optimal, not having energy, it is crucial, guys. Spend the money to go get your blood work. I make absolutely nothing telling you that. There's no benefit to me besides fulfillment and helping you live a better life, telling you, get your blood work done. You leaving, Grizzly? See you, bro. You know, I'm heavily invested with pharmaceutical companies. Well, then actually, they wouldn't want me telling you to get your blood work done. They'd want me to tell you the opposite. You think Big Pharma wants you healthy? Big Pharma doesn't make money off you when you're healthy. That's why everything they say is a scam for the most part. Not everything, but a lot of it. Yeah, go get your blood work done and use code Jdun. Y'all crack me up. Go get your blood work done and use code Jdun at your at your local phlebotomist. You'll go use code Jdun with your local phlebotomist. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the blood work task force. Go use code Jdun. Marcel, I think you could probably guess. Oh, health insurance is the biggest scam. I always say, you guys know I don't do politics. I think both sides are a scam. But for those of you who pick the sides, one thing that, regardless, the right and the left, Republican, Democrat, whatever, can all agree on is that health insurance is the biggest fugazi and scam there is. Absolutely horrific. I mean, there's people paying thousands a month and still getting destroyed. It's insane. Did I get the COVID? No. My friend uses code Jdun at the local massage parlor. What? You can use every place you go to say, listen, I got code Jdun. Can I get my discount? Yep, they're both wings of the same bird. Yeah, $2,000 a month for health insurance is insane. It's honestly bananas. Deity for life. Yup. Yep. Use code Jdun on your next flight. But for real though, if you guys have an extra few $100s, I know times are tough right now, please invest in yourself getting your blood work done. And I think some people in chat, has anyone in chat that has gotten their blood work done and it has helped them get their hormones right and get their focus up better and their energy better? Well, let me know in chat who has gotten their blood work done in the last year and it has helped them dial their health in. I know we got some health winners here. Chrissy has, Yoda has, Carl has. Even if everything's totally normal, it's good. That's great. It's actually better. Get peace of mind. Find out how you can optimally dial yourself in. Just did this to check cortisol. You know what's funny is Huberman talks a lot about spiking your cortisol in the morning. And I'm like, well, I'm a trader, so I guess I get that naturally. My cortisol gets way spiked every morning. Yep. Just like I tell you guys that your diet and your lifestyle directly impacts your trading. Not even in a discipline case, but when you think about it like this, people say that trading is 90% psychology. Well, psychology relates directly to your brain. Well, your brain and your gut are directly correlated, right? Like 80% of your serotonin is made in your gut. So when you have an unhealthy gut and you're eating garbage food and you're putting garbage substances into your body, of course you're going to have brain fog and lack of focus and, impacted sleep. When you dial in your health and you dial in your focus and you dial in all the different components of living a healthy lifestyle in your gut, it's going to directly help your trading. The gut is the second brain. I know it sounds, I swear to you, I'm not a hippie. It's true. People always ask me how they can improve their psychology. I'm like, well, how's your lifestyle? What kind of food are you eating? Are you working out? Are you getting your steps in? I'm not even saying you have to go and, become a freaking bodybuilder. Just get your steps in. Make it a promise to yourself to work out a few times a week. Zerp is a bodybuilder. I do take AG1. I just started a few weeks ago. I also take collagen. I take vitamin B12. I take it. I take methylated B12 and methylated D3 and K2 because my body doesn't break it down correctly. I have a really sensitive gut, and it just doesn't work for me taking the pills. So I take fish oil. I take my omegas every day. I take maca root. I take shilajit or shilajit, I'll re-say it. I also take what's it called? I cannot think. I take a men's multivitamin. Yep. I take bone broth collagen every day. It's good for your hair, skin, and nails. It's also good for your joints. Yep, stay healthy. Otherwise, you can't spend the money Jdun's making you. That's right. Someone was calling me. I tried peptides like a year ago, and honestly, I was taking BPC and then Simorlin, excuse me. And I just didn't notice them, so that's why I stopped, and I wanted to do a lot more research. Thing is, I don't take creatine because I eat so much steak. Steak is naturally high. I eat like a 14 to 16 ounce ribeye every night. And for the health people out there, the vegans, listen, I love you guys. I'll help you make money. I'm not changing that. I love steak. I will never stop eating steak. I'll eat it every single night. Bring it on, cholesterol! Good. Give me all the gout. I want all the gout. Good. Give me the gout. Yeah, high cholesterol, that it's a scam from Big Pharma. It's a scam. Eat more meat. I love getting my meat every night. Give me a big slab of meat every night. A 16-ounce ribeye. I love it. If steak takes me out of this world, I'm okay with it. Me too. You guys again talking about meat. What? What's wrong with that? I put a big slab of meat in my mouth every night. How else would I eat it? Through my ears? No. I'm not going to eat steak through my ears, guys, or through my nose. I gotta go grab my no boat. I gotta use the restroom quick and I gotta get some water. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Order filled. All right, guys. What up, what up, what up, what up? Was good, was good, was good. Damn, look at this move. That just died. I don't trust it. That's crazy. I used to go to that Westminster one back when I lived up north. Small world. Steak every day for me too, bro. Salud. You feel horrible. Why do you feel horrible? Yep, 1 for 1 in the day. I got to add that. Only use one micro, that's okay. Should I wear a Mexico jersey with the burrito bandit jean? FDA is a scam. We'll get you I'll get you next time, optional trader. We got all next week. We got all next week. Well, it's time to get to work, my boy. Got 0 to trade with. You got to get to work. You guys all have homework this weekend, too. I need all of you guys to go watch my new strategy video on YouTube. I just posted it. I see that we've had over 2,000 people watch it so far. Yo, what up? You're one of the few people that can call me during the trading day, and I don't freak out on. I say, don't call me when I'm trading. But thousands of people have spoken. They need some accounts, man. Had a banger trading day. Just whatever you can give, we'll take it. Velocities, premieres, whatever. Yep. Oh, damn. 20 accounts. FFF is coming through. Let's go. All right. Yep. See you, bro. Bye. Damn, we got 20 accounts to give away. We got 20 Funded Futures family accounts to give away. 10 velocities and 10 premieres. Let's go. So premium community is going to be, there's a very good chance of winning if you're in the live trading chat. You have a much smaller pool. Much smaller pool. If you're in the TikTok, guys, you guys got to the 100K likes we needed. So there we go. You're good there? TikTok's getting a giveaway. YouTube, let's see if you guys got to the likes on YouTube. Let's go see. You did get to the likes on YouTube. That means we get some giveaways on YouTube too. That means we get giveaways on YouTube, and we got a lot of giveaways going on in premium. 20 accounts to give away. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone wants the free stuff. Yep, FFF is great. Their premier accounts are fire. If you guys are looking to add an account to your arsenal that has good upside potential, you guys got to check out the FFF premier accounts. The 50Ks. Don't get the expensive ones. Just get the 50Ks. They're less than $100 with code Jdun. If you guys want to log in for a chance to win, that's the link. You can create an account for free. Let's go. This is not a 2-bar. Nope. Why is this not a 2-bar? Chat, tell them, why is this not a 2-bar? Because we're not trending down. There's no trend. It could be a reversal candle or continuation. I'd argue that with this wick here, but there's no trend. Damn, bro, hooked it up with these accounts. Let's go. Our partners are great. Again, the more you guys use code Jdun and the more accounts you guys, more you support, the more they give us to give away. That goes with saying I want you guys to always choose DOD. But if you guys are trading futures and learning with me, I appreciate you using code Jdun, code JDUN, and choosing DOD when you trade. I do my best to find you guys winning trades every single day. Vanquish will always give us accounts. They're super cool too. All right. Let's give away some accounts in the post your gain section inside Team Bull. Let's see here. All right. Let's pick our first winner. I got the accounts right here. First Premier 50K is going out to a new member. He just joined Premium. DOD, thank you for everything. At Jdun, best the GOAT. Zerp FX, congratulations. There's your first account for a 50K Premier with the Funded Futures family. I just DM'd it to you. Second winner. First day with premium membership and got a little W at Jdun. $17, we'll take it. And guess what, AIM? You just got yourself a 50K Premier account. That is a $95 value with the Funded Futures family. They're celebrating 20 million in payouts. They've been crushing it. Let's go up here. Let's go up to a little earlier. Third up for a Premier 50K, we got Relentless, DOD baby, plus 200 on the funded, one step closer to payout. One step closer to payout. Honest question. What's the need for a prop firm? Head carrier, you're new here. I see you just joined Premium. I'm going to let you find that out yourself with a free account in your inbox, baby. 50K FFF Premier account. Congratulations. You can sign up. That code is in your inbox. Congratulations. 50K Premier. Can I use a 2-bar and prop firm? Yeah. Let's see here. Daily Green said, could not have done it without you. At Jdun, have been in a really tough spot lately, and DOD has changed my life completely. Let's go. 50K Premier account with the Funded Features family out in action. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder who's paying attention. I wonder who's paying attention in the live chat. Because if you are, I just posted the other 5 accounts. 50K Premier, 1 per user. Each of those codes will work for 1 person for a 50K Premier. They're each $100 value. So hopefully y'all are paying attention in the live trading chat right there. Hopefully someone's paying attention. 5 accounts right there. You got to pay attention when we're doing giveaways. These people are fast. These people are quick. In the live trading chat and premium. It's in the premium community. You're an old guy, Tat Rat. Well, here you go. I got love for us old folks too. Here's a 50K velocity account for you. Congratulations, Mr. Old Man. All right, I got to leave for my blood work soon, so we're going to rapid fire these. We got the rest in there. Yep, that's for the premium community. You guys got 11 accounts there. We're going to do some more giveaways on Monday if we catch another win, because I won't be trading tomorrow. Now for the YouTube for the free. If you're trading with the Funded Features family, right here, right now, this second. This second, right here, right now. Right here, right now. I'm separating these. I'm dropping 5 codes right now. It'll be the first one to get them. 5 codes just dropped in YouTube for 50K Velocity account. Right there. 5 codes just dropped for 50K Velocity account. If you scroll up, it's right there. Right there. This second. Just happened. Shout out our friends at the Funded Features family, everybody. And TikTok said, where's our love? I said, TikTok, I got you, baby. Code 1 dropped. Code 1 just dropped in TikTok. 50K Velocity account with the Funded Features family. Second code just dropped. Another 50K Velocity account with the Funded Features family. Both codes dropped in there. I don't want to hear anybody saying I didn't drop them. And the final, we're going to do one more code here. 50K Velocity. 50K Velocity. Right there in YouTube. There's one more in YouTube, guys. And let's see who's still paying attention. In the Team Bowl Premium stream, one more 50K Velocity. 50K Velocity account right there, given out. I appreciate you guys being here. 1 win on the day. Wasn't massive, but we'll take it. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully, you guys that just joined Premium, you guys had a great first few days. We do this every single day. No lag, real-time alerts. You have tons of access to education to watch this weekend and the guest speakers in education and then the Jared Tendler recordings. Appreciate you guys rocking with me, and I'll see you guys on Monday, all right? All right, God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Choose DOD. Do something positive for yourself tonight. read a book, go to the gym, meditate, pray, call your mom, dad, sister, brother, loved one, and I'll see you guys later. God bless y'all. Peace. All right, TikTok. I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. I trade live every day. Appreciate you guys rocking with me using code Jdun. And on YouTube, same thing. You guys have homework. Go watch my newest YouTube video on my channel, Jdun Trades. I just posted it yesterday. It's called How I'd Trade in 2026 If I Had to Start Over. Go watch that. That's your homework for the weekend. God bless you guys. Peace. Market's closed tomorrow. It's closed early for Juneteenth. I won't be trading. God bless you guys. Peace.